Hey, what's up, market movers? Welcome back to Park Avenue Trading. It's February 25th, 2025, and the stock market is throwing us some curveballs. QQQ, the S&P 500, Dow, they're all feeling the heat from the tariffs and the tech wobbles. What's the latest scoop? Make sure you hit that like button. I'd like to get at least 5 likes today, and also, maybe 5 subscribers. That would be wonderful. What's the latest scoop? I'm going to go over that. I'm going to be diving into everything that's shaking on Wall Street with defined points. Also, I have your attention. Please subscribe to my X account, and I'll be doing some updates for all the major currencies and all the different indexes that I cover, including gold, of course. So let's get on over to the QQQ. All right, right now we're coming off the high of the 540.79 level. So I'll just go like 540 right there. We had basically a double top up here, and the marketplace is really respecting that in classical market, technical analysis. We're breaking back down. We're heading down towards, this area right here. Let me see if I can find a nice little rectangle. Let's see right here. Let's get a little rectangle if we can find one. Come on. Maybe over here. I hate this thing. Well, anyway, yeah, we're basically coming back down into this area right there. I finally found the rectangle. Sorry about that. But where is the main support right now, and where is the resistance? All right, so the main support right now really is at 510.15. 510.15. So let me put that right here. 510, right around there. 510.60. I want it down a little bit because I want it to be perfect. 510.10. That's fine. 510.10 is the main support for this thing. Right now, as it stands, it's got to get over like 526. It's got to get over 526 at this point. 526. Close enough. It's got to get over this 526 to basically get back up into this trading range. I'm not saying it's jumping higher right away. What I'm saying is basically, we're in a consolidation. We're in a consolidation phase, and the marketplace will basically, if it can get up over this level, turn around up over this level, we'll be trading in this level using that double top again as resistance. The market has not fully digested the tariffs. Has not. The Trump tariffs are spooking investors, and techs are feeling extra vulnerable. So we have to really pay attention to that. A break of this 510 actually drives us down to 498 right here. 498. So the marketplace is actually looking quite bearish unless we get above that 526, but there's still some wood to chop up there. Let's get on over to the SF1. Okay, so this is another marketplace that basically had a double top right here. Also, of course, same thing as the NASDAQ, feeling the heat. It's got to get over 600.07 to show any type of strength. I don't think that, we're rocketing up yet. We basically haven't filled, the market sentiment is really, still nervous. If we can get up over there, we'll be trading probably around to 607 before it meets resistance. But being broken below this level, we're really heading towards this critical point of 592.99. We break that today, we're heading to 586. That's where we stand in the indexes right now. Let's head on over to gold. Gold is quite an interesting. I got one marked up right here. Gold is quite interesting chart. We got the top in gold so far at what 2009.56. As it stands right now, gold is basically staying. It has to hold above 2009.16. If it breaks that, we got 2009.13 behind it. So I really should move this down to 2009.13, but we'll leave it at 2009.16. We got definite support at 2009.06. What's happening right now is if we could break through this 2009.57, holding these levels, holding these levels. We got our little rocket ship heading us up to 2009.72, that important level. If we break this 2009.16 today, expect 2009.06. But I don't think anything's really major happening in gold. We're channeling through these 2 points, the 2009.57 right now, 2009.16, because the market's trying to digest what exactly is going on with the tariffs. Are they inflationary? They're not inflationary. Tariffs are not inflationary. So they'll eventually figure that out. So maybe that would affect the gold price, driving it down a little bit. But as it stands right now, that is not the case. So let's go over to the ES1. I think I have that one up already. Do we got anything on ES1? No. All right. Yeah, right here. Fine. I did it. Let's get rid of that thing. All right. So resistance 6,065. This break concerns me of the 6,029. It needs to get over that, or we're drifting to the 5,948 level in this index. That's a major, it's not a major price, but it is definitely a very important low to hold in order to show strength. But as it stands right now, we got to get above 6,025. Then probably it would get to like 6,066 on the day if we can get that type of a rally. I don't think so. I think we're kind of bearish, and we are heading down towards this 9,948 all-important level. Now, if we break that today, where are we going? Well, we got 5,866 below it. So the only way we show strength is if we get above the 6,025. Then we got resistance again at 6,065. Not a bad move, $40, but still, I mean, the danger right now is to the downside, or the risk is to, to the ups, is to the downside right now. Let's go over to the NQ1. Do I have anything up here? Right here. All right, let me see if I got anything better on this chart. NQ1. All right, where do we stand in the NQ1? Well, we hit a low of 2,286. I think we went, 21,000. Jeez, these fucking numbers. 21,286. 21,286. Close enough. We hit this low right here. The only way that we're going to show any type of strength is like above 22,000. Let me see something here. 21,005. 21,005. Wow. 21,500 right there. We need to get above 21,503 in order to start to crawl back up. And really where that would take us is be probably right around 21. 21,7, 21,7, 21. That's close enough. 21,764. If we could get above this level, we could start to show some strength, getting up towards this 21,7 level. If not, man, we're drifting back lower to 21,000 even. 21,000 even is a major, like for daily, major support level. 21,000 even. This also, basically is channeling right now, like through these 2 points right here. If we break lower, we're heading down towards this level. And, again, the risk is really to the downside right now. There's, the marketplace just has not digested this. Once it starts to digest what these tariffs actually mean, and they're not just straight up tariffs, they're reciprocal tariffs. So therefore, if a country charges us 20% on something, we're charging them 20% on something. If they drop the tariffs to 2, we'll drop our tariffs to 2. So it's not a straight up tariff, and I don't think it's fully digested yet. But, markets are markets, and they are emotional and irrational at times. So please, again, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me about what you hear. What you're hearing about. The tariffs. Let me know. And also, don't forget, please follow me on my X account, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door.